This is a 2006 Toyota Sienna 8-passenger CE, 118,000 miles. Fully serviced, it needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically like all of our vehicles. We do 125-point pre-owner inspection to ensure you'll need nothing. Tires are in great shape. This will be a cash car. Very, very clean for its age. The vehicle is running. Just a basic CE, so the doors are manual sliding power. Gray cloth interior is in very good condition. AM/FM CD, automatic transmission, 118,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. So this is a 2006 Toyota Sienna CE 8-passenger, 118,000 miles, in wonderful condition, perfect cash vehicle, great for family, needs nothing.